Hello, today I'm going to show you how to detect viruses on your PC using a tool called TCPview from sysinternals. And this is where you can download it. Download from Microsoft.com. TCPview. First, look through the list for any suspicious exe files. Open TCPview, right click, run as administrator, and find any suspicious file. Oh, I saw. Wait, I found the virus here. Wait. Boom. Virus sample exe. The virus is connecting to 192.168.100.99. Let's check. Virus underscore sample. Here. Local address. Remote address 192.168.100.99. We can locate this by going to properties, process properties, here's the path, and click explore. Here's the virus, and then right click. We can kill the process or close the connection. Click kill process, terminate the virus sample. After that, we can delete this. Done. For more video like this, please subscribe.